so we got a snow day. It's a lot of snow. As you can see, the dogs are happy. Chowing down on snow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diamond's at my mom's. Having a day out. I hear a raven. Oh, so you can see we got quite a bit of snow. It's up to Honey's stomach. Hey, G-Man. Oh, Layla. Hello, Layla. Hello, my baby. Hi, Sadie. Oh, Honey. No, 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 no. I don't have a ball. If you can go search for a ball, go search. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Where's a ball? I don't have a ball. I need a ball for this. The two new girls. Come on. And take, there's nothing on there. See, Tank? There's nothing there. Thor, stay in the yard. Oh boy. Gunner, Thor! Yard. Ooh, can't keep up with them. Oh, Layla and Sadie, they're always hanging out with Mommy, huh? You're just always hanging out with a Mommy. Yeah. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Yep, I'm always counting to 7 or 9. Oh, honey. Yep, my honey bear. Can you sit, honey? Honey, sit. Oh, good girl. I don't want you to speak.